It's interesting, we constantly hear arguments from government that they wish to get rid of red tape and as if there's some magic bullet that will allow this entrepreneurial spirit to be let free. Let's decide what red tape is. Red tape is actually the requirement of building to a certain standard. Red tape means that when you buy your meat from the butchers, you're not going to get poisoned. Red tape is the fact that all cars on the road meet a minimum standard. Red tape means that bridges won't fall down. And it's the same in manufacturing. Red tape is an essential part of ensuring that we have a minimum standard of products. Most manufacturers that I know of actually want red tape because red tape means good regulation. And it allows a level playing field that will not allow the cowboys to come in and undercut professional manufacturers who are building to certain standards. None of us want bad regulation, but the idea that we can get rid of it and suddenly allow this entrepreneurial spirit to be let free is wrong. And for 10 years or more, we've had governments banging on about the need to get rid of red tape. It's getting rid of red tape that drives bad behaviour. What we want is good regulation for the manufacturers to work with a level playing field, and that way we'll improve standards and get better performance across the manufacturing sector. Once again, the government have actually got rid of their target because of pressure from local groups because of the planning issue. So we're not sure where we stand with the 300,000. We know that we need to build a lot of housing and we need to ensure that it's built to a certain standard. The net zero carbon target of 2050 means that we should be continually upping the standard that we build to. And the only way we can do that is have good regulation and compliance and inspection to make sure all the properties that are being built are to that better standard. Whatever quantity we build, they all should be about improving the standard so that we meet those net zero carbon targets that we all know are essential for the future prosperity of the country.